Welcome to the Real Maxi Pets channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. You are probably enjoying these beautiful winter days right now. And to make your leisure time more interesting, today we are going to tell you about the most amazing carnivorous animals. So make yourself comfortable with the whole family. We are going to start. First of all, carnivorous are animals, nutritional, and energy needs are satisfied by eating animal tissues, mainly meat, muscle, or fat. These can range from predators that prey on other animals for sustenance to scavengers that do not hunt but feed on carrion, such as vultures, for example. Now let's take a look at a few of the most interesting members of the carnivores. Let's start with the martens. These interesting animals are at first glance very affectionate and harmless. However, they are tree-dwelling predators that feed on small mammals, birds, and insects. Martens are very fast and have a playful nature, especially they like to play among themselves. They have bushy tails and large paws with partially retractable claws. These funny little critters live in coniferous and northern deciduous forests throughout the northern hemisphere. They prefer to use ready-made shelters, such as tree hollows, crevices and rocks, or abandoned burrows of other animals for hiding and sleeping. Please subscribe to our channel. Martens are nimble carnivores and are well adapted to living in snowy environments and use their sharp claws to climb trees and hunt. They can also jump from branch to branch in trees up to 50 feet tall. In some world cultures, the marten is considered a symbol of cunning and agility. Please leave a comment this video. Martens are also skilled swimmers and can swim across small bodies of water with ease. The next unusual carnivorous animal is the Tasmanian Devil. This marsupial animal lives on the island of Tasmania, south of mainland Australia. About the size of a small dog, the Tasmanian Devil is currently the largest carnivorous marsupial in the world. Wow! Its large head and neck allow it to deliver the strongest bites per unit body mass of any predatory land mammal in existence. It hunts prey and feeds on carrion. In general, the Tasmanian Devil is very hardy. It can climb trees and swim across rivers. The American alligator is also very hardy. It is a large crocodilian reptile, native to the southeastern United States, and is currently the largest reptile in the world after the black caiman. Adult male American alligators reach lengths of up to 15 feet and can weigh up to 1,100 pounds. American alligators are carnivorous predators and feed on fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. These animals are so ingrained in the cultural heritage of the United States that they have even become the official state reptile of 3 states: Florida, Louisiana, and Mississippi. American alligators inhabit swamps, streams, rivers, ponds, and lakes, as well as wetland prairies interspersed with shallow open water bodies. Although American alligators prefer fresh water, they may occasionally enter brackish water, but they are less tolerant of salt water than American crocodiles because the salt glands on their tongues do not function. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Kestrels are small falcons known for soaring through the air while hunting. These carnivores are able to see ultraviolet light, which helps them detect the tracks of the rodents they feed on. Like other falcons, kestrels are well trained and can act as excellent scouts in hunting situations or as a navigator in the field. These birds soar up to 65 feet above open terrain and plop down on ground prey in videos of small mammals, lizards, or large insects. Also, an interesting representative of carnivorous animals is the dingo. This is an ancient genus of dog living in Australia. The dingo is a medium-sized predator that preys on mammals, birds, and reptiles. Unlike common dogs, dingoes have a lean body and are more agile, hardy, and cunning. Their shoulder joints are unusually flexible, and they can climb fences, rocks, trees, and stones. Dingo packs usually consist of a mated pair and their offspring, and in social behavior, these carnivores are very similar to wolves. Bobcats are even more agile and fast, as they are one of only 4 extant species in the wildcat genus today. These animals live in areas ranging from southern Canada to most of the continental United States. It has distinctive black stripes on its front legs and a black feathered stubby or bobbed tail from which it gets its name. As carnivores, their keen sense of smell makes them effective predators after fast rabbits, hares, deer, or small birds in forest environments. And cheetahs are even more agile carnivores and are the fastest predatory land animals in the world. Even from infancy, these animals have developed instincts for sensing danger and sensitivity to their environment. However, cheetah cubs are very vulnerable to other large predators, and so adults watch their young closely until they are 20 months old. Cheetahs live in the savannas of northwestern, eastern, and southern Africa. They live in 3 main social groups: females and their cubs, coalitions of males and solitary males. While females are nomadic, searching for prey over large areas, males are more sedentary in small areas. The cheetah is capable of running at speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. They are so fast due to its slight build, long thin legs, and long tail. Today, these wild cats are a rare animal species that is protected by conservation organizations. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And lastly, polar bears. They are carnivorous animals that live in the Arctic and hunt mainly seals and fish. Please leave a comment this video. Their survival is inextricably linked to the sea ice, where they get their main source of food. Polar bears are the largest bears in the world and can weigh up to 1,800 pounds. An interesting fact is that polar bears are also considered marine mammals because of their dependence on marine ecosystems. Therefore, they are excellent swimmers and have adapted well to aquatic environments. The polar bear paws are larger than those of common bears. This allows them to easily walk on ice and paddle in water. Today, climate change has reduced the amount of sea ice, which reduces the polar bear's access to its main habitat, so these animals are threatened with extinction. So, we have told you about the most amazing carnivorous animals. We hope you enjoyed it. Spring is coming, and we will show you new interesting animal videos for the whole family. We wish you peace, kindness, and all the best. Goodbye, and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Real Maxi Pets channel. Like and share.